The Python program, prototype nor for commercial use, predicts stock prices using a random forest regressor model from the sklearn.ensemble module. It starts by generating synthetic stock data with a date range, stock prices with noise, and random trading volumes. The dataset is then pre-processed by extracting day, month, and year from the date column and dropping the original date column. The data is split into training and testing sets using an 80:20 ratio, train_test_split. The random forest model is trained on historical data, x_train, y_train, and then used to make predictions on test data, x_test. Additionally, a new unseen dataset for future predictions, 2024, is generated with random volumes and dates, and the model predicts stock prices for this unseen dataset. For visualization, the program uses Plotly to create an interactive scatter plot. It plots actual stock prices, red line, and predicted stock prices, blue line, for the test dataset, showing how well the model performs. Furthermore, it adds future stock price predictions, green diamonds, based on unseen data, helping to visualize the model's forecast. The graph includes appropriate labels, markers, and a legend to differentiate between actual, predicted, and unseen data points. The final visualization provides a clear trend analysis of stock price movement, validating the model's predictive capability. Detailed explanation of the video, stock price prediction with training, testing, and unseen data. 1. Title analysis. The title of the graph is Stock Price Prediction with Training, Testing, and Unseen Data, Model by Pradeep K. Suri. This suggests that the graph is a visual representation of a stock price prediction model. The model is trained using historical stock data and tested on a test dataset. It also includes unseen future data to make predictions for stock prices. 2. Axis information. X-axis, index, represents the index of the data points in the dataset. The lower index values correspond to older data, and the higher index values correspond to newer data. Y-axis, stock price, represents the stock price values in numerical form. Prices range from around 100 to 200, with different points plotted based on actual, predicted, and unseen data. 3. Data representation in the graph. The graph contains 3 different types of data. Red line, actual stock prices, test data, represents the actual stock prices from the test dataset. These are the real market values used for validating the model. It shows a clear upward trend, indicating stock price growth over time. Blue line, predicted stock prices, test data, represents the predicted stock prices from the model for the test dataset. The blue lines are closely following the red lines, indicating a good prediction performance. There are some slight deviations, but overall, the model is closely tracking the real stock prices. Green diamonds, unseen data predictions, future stock prices. These green diamond-shaped markers represent stock prices predicted for future unseen data. They are scattered around higher price values, above 160, which suggests the model is forecasting higher stock prices in the future. Since these predictions are based on new input data, unseen by the model during training, they help assess how well the model generalizes. 4. Observations and insights. Strong prediction performance. The blue, predicted, and red, actual, lines overlap well, meaning the model's predictions are highly accurate for the test dataset. Minor deviations exist, but overall, the model effectively captures stock price trends. Future predictions show higher prices. The green diamonds are mostly above 160 to 200, which indicates that the model predicts a future upward trend in stock prices. This suggests that based on historical patterns, stock prices are expected to increase in the unseen future data. Linearity in data trends. Both actual and predicted prices follow an upward trajectory, implying that the dataset follows a general linear trend. There is minimal fluctuation, meaning the dataset is relatively smooth and predictable. Conclusion. The model performs well in predicting stock prices for test data, as shown by the close match between actual and predicted values. The unseen future data predictions suggest an upward trend, meaning stock prices are expected to rise based on historical patterns. Overall, the Random Forest model successfully learns the trend, making it a reliable predictive tool for stock price forecasting. Explanation of the bar chart, Financial Forecast Report, 2025 to 2027. Overview. The bar chart visually represents financial metric predictions for the years 2025, 2026, and 2027 in millions of INR. The financial metrics are listed on the x-axis, and their corresponding predicted values are plotted on the y-axis. The grouped bar chart format allows for a direct comparison of financial performance over the 3 years. Key features. 1. Financial metrics, x-axis. The x-axis lists various financial indicators, including revenue growth %, expense reduction %, cash flow prediction rightward arrow profitability metrics, investment forecast, profit margin %, market risk analysis rightward arrow investment and risk metrics, budget allocation efficiency, operational cost %, debt to equity ratio rightward arrow cost and debt management, working capital, sales forecast, customer acquisition cost, ROI on marketing rightward arrow sales and marketing insights, inventory turnover, supply chain optimization, production cost analysis rightward arrow operational efficiency, overhead costs, tax liability estimation, net profit prediction rightward arrow cost control and tax planning, annual financial health score, revenue per employee, cost per customer rightward arrow workforce productivity, technology investment impact, loan repayment ability, dividend payout estimation rightward arrow future investments and financial planning. 2. Predicted values, y-axis. The y-axis represents the forecasted financial values in millions of INR. The chart provides a clear representation of how these values change over time, 2025 to 2027. 3. Color representation of forecast data. Blue bars rightward arrow financial predictions for 2025. Red bars rightward arrow financial predictions for 2026. Green bars rightward arrow financial predictions for 2027. Insights from the chart. Revenue growth % and cash flow prediction are increasing over the years, indicating a positive financial outlook. Operational cost % and overhead costs are projected to remain stable or decrease, suggesting improved cost management strategies. Investment forecast and technology investment impact show growth, meaning the company is focusing on long-term technological advancements. ROI on marketing and customer acquisition cost are fluctuating, which may indicate varying effectiveness of marketing strategies. Loan repayment ability and dividend payout estimation are expected to improve, signaling financial stability and shareholder benefits. Conclusion. This financial forecast bar chart effectively illustrates how key financial metrics are projected to evolve over time. The grouped bar format makes it easy to compare trends across different years. The predictions suggest growth in revenue, controlled costs, and strong investment in technology, indicating a healthy financial trajectory. Thank you.